It's like an orangutan.
Yeah. Little monkey. Wait, hold on.
Cliff, get one for the other side. Want me to do a Cliff?
Yeah.
You can do it, Cliff.
I never did
Cliff,
it.
you can do it. Yeah, you can. Alright, let's go to sleep.
You want us to start camping? Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you a pro?
Huh?
Are you a pro at it?
No.
Here. I think she knows everything about camping.
I never said that. Where's the thingy? Good job, Chris.
Alex, how do you feel about this tent?
It's nice.
Yeah?
It's like an apartment.
It is. Andrea, what are your thoughts?
Hey, back over again.
Peace.
Why?
Yeah, you have stuff in your hair, Chris.
This is us grilling. We're grilling some burgers. Looking pretty good. Pretty smoky.
Every kid here wants.
I just like doing
It's not a sandwich, it's a small sub.
What are you making there, Alex?
That's what it's called.
What is it? Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I know.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh. Cliffy, is this your first time making s'mores?
Yeah.
Yeah? How you liking it? Yup. Good job, boy. Say hello to your mom.
Okay.
Say hello to your mom.
Mom.
Hello.
Hola, Mama. Madre. Where's your mom, Bobby?